If you want to take the gesture screenshot on OnePlus 15, what you can do is you can use 3 fingers. If you swipe down from the top like this, you can easily capture the full screenshot, just like that. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on the screen like that, and if you release 3 fingers, then you can select the area that you wish to crop and capture. So just like that, we can also grab by these white lines on sides or in corners in order to readjust the area that you wish to capture. And also you can touch and hold with 3 fingers, and then once you have this overlay, you can swipe down in order to select the area that you wish to capture like that. Of course, we can still adjust it if you want to, and of course at the bottom we have additional tools. In case these gestures do not work for you, then you can open settings, scroll down into accessibility and convenience, and then in here we need to find the screenshot option. And we have 3 finger swipe down for the full screenshot and 3 finger touch and hold for partial or scrolling screenshot. Let me also show you the scrolling screenshot. So in this case, we can open any app or any website where we can scroll, and we can use 3 fingers to select the starting point and then swipe all the way down in order to start capturing the scrolling screenshot. You can of course also use your finger in order to scroll down. You can also tap on auto scroll in order to make your phone keep scrolling. You can select the area where it should be cut, where it should end. And we can tap on done. And there we go, we have our long screenshot created. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.